Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Promotions. Our platform leverages data from millions of clicks processed with ClickGuard customers, allowing us to track shifts in fraud tactics and anomalies across various verticals. From luxury fashion houses to online travel agencies, we build industry-specific models to ensure optimal performance for all merchants. Why our customers love us. In an ecosystem filled with Google Ads advertising solutions, there is nothing that makes us prouder than our fanatic customers who brought us to be. Top-rated for features in Click Fraud Protection software. Top-rated for customer service in Click Fraud Protection software. Top-rated for meeting requirements in Click Fraud Protection software. Top-rated ROI and value for Click Fraud Protection software. At ClickGuard, we work hard to deliver clear and quantifiable value each and every day. Nothing protects your Google Ads better than ClickGuard. Achieve quantifiable results and boost your business bottom line by eliminating fraudulent clicks, improving lead quality, and maximizing your conversions. With ClickGuard monitoring every click, you'll never pay for click fraud, only for legitimate clicks that bring value to your business. Money is what keeps your marketing campaigns going. Our cutting-edge click protection will help you ensure that every dollar brings new business. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.